Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you two ways to make metallic slime. The first way is with metallic acrylic paint. So I'm going to be using some rose gold metallic acrylic paint. It also has some little specks of rose gold glitter in it, and I'm just going to add it to half a bottle of a 4-ounce Elmer's clear glue. And now I'm stirring it in. Once you've stirred in your pigment, you can now add activator. You can use contact lens solution as activator or borax mixed with water, and you have to just stir that. Once it gets too hard to stir, you have to start kneading it with your hands, and it will be very sticky to slightly sticky, but you have to continue to knead it with your hands till it gets not sticky. If you've been kneading this for a very, very long time and it is still sticky, you probably need to add more activator. And there is the finished rose gold acrylic paint metallic slime. So now I'm just going to be using the other half of the Elmer's clear glue bottle, and I'm going to make the second slime. So with this slime, I'm using a pearl powder in the color pewter, and I'm just going to be adding in a tiny bit of that into the glue. I will be adding more of this later on. You can add more if you think it needs more. And now I'm just stirring it in. I love the way this looks right here when you stir in the metallic pigment. Again, you can start adding in your activator. As you can see, the slime did get less sticky, and it definitely turned into more of a slime after a good amount of kneading. Here is the finished pearl pigment metallic slime. This is definitely my favorite slime of the two. Don't forget to like and subscribe.